As the number of coronavirus cases surpassed the 20,000 mark, nursing homes have been especially hit hard. WJZ is live tonight. Avajoy Burnett reports on the steps the governor is taking, desperate to address this problem. Avajoy.
Well, Rick, nursing homes have been disproportionately impacted. In fact, nearly 50% of the coronavirus deaths here in the state of Maryland have been in one of those facilities. Officials are saying they're now issuing an executive order to get every single resident and every single worker tested. We spoke with an employee who said that's absolutely a good idea.
It's been very difficult trying to cope because you're afraid daily that you're going to end up in the hospital.
It's been weeks, and a Baltimore nursing home employee who did not want to be identified told WJZ she's still struggling to get over the coronavirus.
I was just going to work home. That's it. And unfortunately, I believe that I've contracted it from work. This disease is like an invisible enemy.
The disease has hit nursing homes especially hard. With just over 4,000 cases, Governor Larry Hogan said the facilities account for nearly 16% of the positive tests, but nearly 50% of the total deaths. Protective gear like masks have been hard to come by, so a senior care network pooled money and ordered 170,000 masks for local facilities. The shipment finally came in this week.
You know, we've gotten phone calls from folks who are not in senior living wanting to know if they can tap into the supply. And
on top of sending medical teams and the National Guard to help these facilities, the governor issued an executive order Wednesday to test every resident and every worker. Some relief for providers who are still sitting out and recovering at home. What's your worst fear right now?
Personally, for my health, that's my worst fear. As far as my job, my worst fear is having to return back to work in a building that's full of COVID.
Well, the governor said majority of these facilities are complying with these new guidelines, but for the few that are not, he has appointed a compliance officer to hold them accountable. Live at 6, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.